To enroll your brand with Amazon, start by creating an Amazon Brand Registry account. Create this account using the same login credentials you use for Seller Central. That ensures you'll have full access to brand registry tools and settings. After creating a brand registry account, you can then enroll your brand. The enrollment process registers your brand with Amazon and connects it to your brand registry account. Once your brand's enrollment is approved, your brand registry account will gain access to all the tools and permission settings in Brand Registry. If you need help managing or protecting your brand, you can affiliate additional brand registry user accounts and assign them specific protection roles. This is a separate process from extending listing privileges or brand selling benefits to other Seller Central accounts. For more on that, see our video, Manage Selling Benefits for Your Brand with Roles. There are 3 protection roles available to brand registry accounts: rights owner, administrator, and registered agent. The rights owner role is automatically assigned to the seller who enrolled the brand. It designates them as the trademark owner and gives their account full access to brand registry tools. The administrator role is also automatically assigned to the enrolling user. It allows them to manage user permissions and manage selling accounts, including affiliating other accounts and assigning protection roles. Finally, the registered agent role is manually assigned by a brand administrator. This role is designed for third parties external to a brand to report suspected intellectual property (IP) infringement. This role can't be assigned to the rights owner, but will have similar access to brand registry tools, as well as the Report a Violation form. Now that you're familiar with each role, let's review the process for assigning them. To affiliate another brand registry account and assign protection roles, the brand administrator will follow a few simple steps. First, sign in to your brand registry account. Click Settings, then User Permissions. You'll see a list of user accounts already affiliated with the brand, including the seller who enrolled the brand. Click the Invite a User to Your Brand button. Then enter the email associated with the brand registry account you want to affiliate. Make sure the email you enter is associated with an active brand registry account. If you'd like to affiliate someone who doesn't yet have a brand registry account, first ask them to create one. Next, enter the name of the user you're inviting to your brand and select their preferred language and the specific brand you want to affiliate their account with. Then, check the boxes next to the roles you want to assign to them. Finally, click the Send Invitation button. The user will receive an email to accept the role. If a brand registry account has reached out proactively to request affiliation and role assignments for a brand, you can also accept or reject the request on the Access Requests tab. After a brand registry account has been affiliated with a brand, an administrator for the brand can update the roles assigned to it. On the Connected Users tab, click the Manage button next to the account. Then add or remove roles on the next page by checking or unchecking boxes in the row for the brand. You can also affiliate the account with an additional brand by checking boxes in a new row, or remove them from a brand by unchecking all boxes in the row. Visit the Brand Registry Protection Roles help page for additional information.